Direct and indirect speech. Direct speech. Direct speech quotes the actual words used by a speaker. What the speaker said is put within quotation marks, and is known as the quote. Example: Hi, my name is Amjad. He said, "Hi, my name is Amjad." A sentence in direct speech consists of two parts. He said is the reporting speech. Hi, my name is Amjad is the reported speech. Reporting speech. The first part in the direct speech is called reporting speech. Reported speech. The second part of the sentence, which is closed in inverted commas, is called reported speech. Reporting verb. Verb of the reporting speech is called reporting verb. Reported verb. Verb of the reported speech is called reported verb. Use of said and told. These two are most frequently used reporting verbs. Examples: Amr told me, I am going home. Amr said to me, I am going home. Indirect speech. In indirect speech, we do not use exactly the same words used by the speaker. Example: He says that his name is Amjad. Direct. Where are you going? Asked Saba. Indirect. Saba asked me where I was going. Direct. Haris said, I shall meet you tomorrow. Indirect. Haris said that he would meet me the next day.